Namaskar, myself Dr. Meenakshi Soni. Today's my topic is a review on the Phatak repertory. Full name of repertory: a concise repertory of homeopathic medicines alphabetically arranged by Dr. S.R. Phatak. This is the modern repertory and it includes all the medicines and all the rubrics in alphabetically manner. Repertory on Materia Medica are twins pillar for the successful practice for homeopathy. Proficiency in the art of prescribing homeopathy can be achieved by constant and diligent study of the remedies given in the Materia Medica with reference to their place value given in the repertory. To find a suitable medicine in the shortest possible time, busy practitioners and sincere physicians are not satisfied with one type of the repertory. This is the alphabetical repertory, so this is the very useful and the easy for the beginners. This repertory published in 1963 by Dr. S.R. Phatak. Different types of repertory were prepared to help finding the medicines by various methods, but the Phatak is best repertory. It is alphabetical, clinical repertory and a concise reference work of Dr. S.R. Phatak. Dr. Phatak included rubrics duly verified by him, and remedies for a particular rubric have been reduced to minimum by a careful selection. Respiratory disease are the most common tropical problem in India that is included in this repertory in a good manner. Total number of rubrics related to clinical are present in this repertory. For example, common cold, pharyngitis, bronchitis, anemia, asthma are the common symptoms and common illness. Most of the disease in childhood is the appropriate stage which presents the characteristic of different miasm in a more pronounced and clear way. That is also included in this Phatak repertory. It is the most useful for the treatment on constitutional level. Different type of constitutions, diathesis, temperament and clinical conditions of the children, adult, geriatrics and female are also included in this repertory. The case which has less number of mental general but more pathological symptom can also repertorize by them. The present study undertaken to throw light on utility and scope of art repertory in treatment of the disease of children and also for the female. The study from the Phatak repertory is very easy when we can select a totality according to Dr. Bogar, because Dr. Bogar is the person who gives importance to the pathological general, and all types of pathological general, miasmatic and the nosological terminology are included in this repertory. Phatak repertory is best used to generalize local symptom. For example, if a patient complains of pain in a spot of the occiput or pain in the back in just one spot or the burning sensation in one spot, the rubric is spot, symptom, sensation occur in general. That is the rubric selection from the Phatak repertory. Even though Dr. Phatak repertory is concise, it is a unique that is based on his documental clinical experiences. The arrangement of the repertory is the alphabetical manner, and all types of the chapters for example blood pressure, anemia, edema, these are also included in this repertory, and as well as the classical point of view that is very useful because Kant's works is also included in this repertory. Phatak repertory is found to be a very much beneficial in finding out the simillimum in the pediatric case, geriatric case and the also female case.